Hi, this is a short follow-up to the Powerman's NAS video. If you've seen it, you probably noticed a mess of wires and stuff in my server room. I could not stand it either, so I decided to make myself a rack, and you can make it too. The open rack, how I called it, is made of 20 by 20 mm scantling, 80 by 20 mm pine board and some 3D printed parts. All the parts are made to fit 10 cm 3D printers. Models are available on Thingiverse, links are in the description. Scantlings and the pine board are the main structural elements of the rack. You can cut it to size you want. Mine is pretty small as I'm working with limited space. All the things are secured with wood screws, and this includes the equipment and the adapters. For example, I have Ethernet switch, PoE injector, camera gateway and power strip mounted onto it. I spent 16 zł, which is about 3.7 USD, on the wood and used screws and filament I already had. For that price, I am very happy with the result. I have my equipment organized and easily accessible when I need to make changes. Having said that, if you decide to build it on your own, note that the wood isn't something you want in a server room. I know that this creation is not something that belongs to the lab, but I feel like I'm obligated to say that you build it at your own responsibility. You should be careful with the IT or electronic equipment in general. That's why I believe this is still a better solution than randomly stacking equipment. This is the end of the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it or dislike if you didn't, and subscribe for more computer or technology related stuff. Thanks for watching.